So, you've mastered the major challenges of public speaking and established yourself as an expert in your field. Now, the next big challenge is how to market your speaking business. In this video, I'll show you the importance of your speaker reel, and I'll show you step by step how to make a simple but professional speaker demo video that will get you more clients.
Thank you so much. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. And then you give everything that belongs to you tonight. And I'd like to ask you something in return as well. A precious gift in return. A gift of your attention.
The first important aspect of your speaker reel is to create a brand around yourself. Show only the videos that are relevant for the topics you know well and do well. This is an important component of credibility that adds to your public image. Combine small clips where you target all areas of your expertise. For example, if you are a keynote speaker, seminar speaker, workshop facilitator, trainer, an industry speaker, an entertainer, or a combination of few of these, make sure to present the content in an elegant, organized, and smart way so your clients understand exactly what they can hire you for. Another important element to add to your speaker reel are interviews. Make sure to add your media or press interviews to help your clients understand your kinds of mind, your values, your ideas. This is a great way to build your image and market yourself as an authority on your field. What delights me is definitely people. I was born in a place called Cidade Maravilhosa, a wonderful city. That's Rio de Janeiro. And at Gallery of Ideas, we have 6 speakers on the stage. We have live music, and we also have sometimes a fusion. We have a DJ, we do some kind of fusion, we have an opening. So it is a bit also show business. Gallery of Ideas is not only a place like a conference that can be held in a hotel. Far from it. It's beauty, it's show business, it's show time as well. It's elegance. There are many components of the events that people love it because they are in a very nice ambience, beautiful, elegant people around. Yeah, most people probably would say, meditation, yoga. It's definitely not my thing. I'm more like a kickboxer, like I need to really expel my energy. And I love surf rounds. And these people introduced me to more people that actually took me to a level where I was so confident that I started thinking I have to share. There is an obligation almost for me to share this knowledge. I cannot just keep this for myself.
You said it's going to be sort of fabulous. Is there a dress code? Should people dress up?
Oh yes, glamour.
So get out your best frocks and nice shoes, and boys, get out the iron.
Exactly. Hell yeah.
And it's Barcelona after
Tell
all.
you what.
And go and check out something sort of delightful and fabulous down there at Café. Wow.
Definitely. And thank you for the delight of coming on the show.
Yes, thank you so much.
Adding photos combined with videos with nice soundtracks, good font design, all these things are great elements to adding a lot of dynamic to your demo. Another important thing is to add testimonials. We all know how important testimonials are in building any business. The thing is, have you ever heard of writer's block? Yes, that happens a lot to people that actually want to write as testimonials. They think and overthink, and then they get sidetracked with other things, and we end up with no testimonial at all. Now, a great technique to get more testimonials is to use your phone and capture video or audio right after a performance. This way, you can use it later as a text or audio material for your testimonials. Another thing is make sure you get a copy of the videos that other people might have, where they were talking about you or referring you. All these things are great material for your demo.
Is Patriciacurty. She is a Brazilian woman who will blow your mind. She is like Alice in Wonderland. She's just high energy, very successful businesswoman who now helps other business people start their businesses. But she has this very cool kind of TED Talks on steroids, or I don't know how to say it, like TED Talks meets Sonar, where it's a couple people talk about a theme, and then there are DJs, wine tastings is very cultural, and lifestyle is more of a show.
I hope this video will get you excited to start your unique demo. And if you need any help, or if you have any questions about how to get started, how to put it all together, let us know. You can reach out to us via email, on social media, or just by leaving your comments below. And remember, as a speaker, in order to grow in this industry, you need to understand the business side of things. Work on your brand and be always ready. It's like surfing. You need to be mentally and physically prepared. You need to have the patience and be wise choosing your waves. But once you are ready to go, make sure you go with everything you've got. And then just keep going.